What's up, Jooba people? This is going to be just a quick tutorial to show you the chords that I used with my All of Me cover. Okay, for the C, I often use the C6. Okay, and sometimes a C major 7. And with the E, I often use the E7. And with an alternating bass. And with the A, same thing. Or you could do an A7. It comes from this A7. For the D minor, just a plain D minor 7. So that you can do with the E7. A minor 7, same thing with a D7, same as the E7. Sometimes this shape. You could do something like that if you wanted to. Okay, your goodbyes. That's it. With the F, you can do this F. Or you could do F major 7. C, E7, A7. So why not take all of me? That's a E flat. That actually they do only at the end. E flat diminished 7th. Boom, boom. There you go, guys. Hope that makes sense. See you again. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.